We're here in East Petaluma and just want to give a little overview of a project that we just wrapped up. A nice little retrofit of an existing patio courtyard and front yard here on the east side of Petaluma. So what we did was a couple things. We retrofitted an existing patio and put in some nice porcelain pavers to fill some planters and kind of make the space more usable here. So we did that. We also came in and installed some new air conditioner screens here with some nice clear redwood to hide those and replace some old lattice work that they had. And then we tied in those porcelain pavers with some decomposed granite for some walkways here as well. In the back, we replaced the old small lawn with some synthetic turf just to make it a lot lower maintenance and easier care here. And then redid an existing planter bed and redid this with a nice ornamental olive and some low voltage lighting here. Here towards the back, we put in some new heavy timber vegetable beds for a nice garden area along here. And then again, with the second air conditioning unit, a nice screen to match those in redwood as well. Then we can see these stepping stones that lead us through the garden area, and again some nice gold decomposed granite that we have in that area here, so we can see that here. But as typical, this was all kind of overgrown and underutilized, so came in and redeveloped this area here. Let's go take a quick look at the front. So working our way out to the front yard, we redid the plantings along the driveway here coming out. And then in the front, just a small little front yard, but we worked on trying to make a nice statement here with some low maintenance, low water use plants. We've got some different succulents here in the front that we put in. We've got some bulbines, some echeveria, some sedums, some of the different things we tied in. And then we have these nice modern pathway lights from FX Luminaire that we put in to light the front steps here. And you can see that all kind of set off with the dark mulch here. So that was a little replanting and a little tune-up here of the front yard for this project here in West Petaluma.